If you're using the Safari browser and notice that certain websites are blocked, this is usually due to network restrictions, device settings, or content filters. This can happen on school computers, shared Macs, iPads, or even personal devices with screen time enabled. While these blocks are often meant to reduce distractions or protect users, they can sometimes restrict useful or educational websites as well. The good news is that there are safe and legal ways to access blocked websites on Safari, as long as you follow the rules set by your school, workplace, or local laws. One of the most reliable tools for this is a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and routes it through a secure server. This helps protect your privacy and can prevent network-level filters from blocking websites that are safe and legitimate. For this tutorial, I'll show you how this works using NordVPN, which is fully compatible with Safari on macOS, iPhone, and iPad. You can check the link in the description to try it at a discounted price. To get started, open Safari and go to the NordVPN website using the link in the description. Create an account, choose a plan, and download the app for your device. On Apple devices, installation is quick and only takes a minute. After installing, open NordVPN and sign in. You'll see a list of locations you can connect to. For the best performance, choose a nearby server. If you're on a restricted network, NordVPN also offers special settings designed for limited or filtered connections, which you can enable in the app settings. Once connected, return to Safari and refresh the page or open the website that was previously blocked. In many cases, the site should now load normally. If it doesn't, try switching servers or restarting Safari. It's also a good idea to check Safari-specific settings. Make sure content blockers or screen time restrictions aren't causing the issue. On Apple devices, these settings can sometimes block websites even when the network itself isn't restricted. Remember to use this responsibly. Do not access illegal or inappropriate content and always respect the rules of the network or device you're using. These tools should be used for privacy, security, and legitimate access only. So that's how you can access blocked websites on Safari, safely and legally. Safari is one of the most secure browsers available, and with the right setup, you can protect your privacy while still accessing the information you need. And if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. If you're watching this on a TV or iPad, you can also scan the QR code on screen to get started